Hi, welcome to Jackie Burns Creations. This is Kiss. Keep It Simple Sunday. The host is Melissa Makes It DIY, and I am the co-host this week. So I hope you enjoy what we're doing. Okay, maybe it'll stay there. So this is the Hiipoo inkjet transfer paper. This is for a white application of heat transfer paper. With inkjet transfer paper, you can transfer your photos, images with wax crayons, oil pastels, fluorescent markers, color pencils, normal dye ink, or pigment ink to t-shirts, sweatshirts, aprons, or just about any cotton blend, or polyester fabric. Hiipoo heat transfer paper can satisfy all your creativity. It's compatible with all brands of inkjet printers, Epson, HP, Canon, etc. And the printing instructions are: put the single sheet of heat transfer paper in the printer, set quality to photo or high quality photo, and set the paper to plain paper or Epson Premium Sim. And it shows you down here. Hand ironing transfer instructions. Print the image on the shiny side of the transfer paper. On the back side is the grid. Wait for the image to dry. Cut out the shape with scissors or a cutting machine. Place the image facing upward onto an appropriate area of the t-shirt. Cover the image with the grease-proof paper that's in the pack already. It's kind of a parchment paper. Set to between cotton and wool temperature and turn off steam. Circular press. I didn't really circular press, I just kind of moved it, but it seemed to work. Iron for 2 minutes. Peel off the grease-proof paper or tear off the adhesive polyester film. Transfer has been done. And then it also gives instructions for the heat press transferring instructions. So if you've got a heat press machine, you can do this too. Set it on a temperature of 330 to 340 Fahrenheit and 25 to 30 seconds to transfer. Put the fabric, press the fabric for about 5 seconds to make it smooth. Print the image on the shiny side. Wait for the image to dry. Cut off the redundant edge around the image. Tear off the white edges around the pattern. Then tear off the image layer gently. If the pattern is complicated or fine, you can use transfer film in the pack to paste it. Oh, okay, interesting. Put the cotton fabric on the heat press and place the image with the image facing up, or the fabric, and cover with greaseproof paper. Press at 330 to 340 for 25 to 30 seconds to transfer. Peel off the greaseproof paper or tear off the adhesive polyester film. Transfer has now been done. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy. I thought that was really, really easy to do. So if I were you, I'd get on Amazon and order. I looked at the prices, and the prices really aren't that bad. So that was fun to do. I'll show you in a minute the pictures I created and how I put them on the t-shirts. Okay. Well, I got some t-shirts from Joann's this late summer that were pretty good price. I got them on sale, and I think they were like $4 a piece. And I had this Hiipoo transfer paper, and I knew I wanted to use it, and I wanted to do some fall transfers on it. So I got these t-shirts and thought it'd be real fun to do some hocus pocus on it. So the first one I am doing is, it just says it's lit. So what I did was I peeled the grid paper off the back and I laid it down, and I put the parchment paper, or they call it greaseproof paper, and set it at between wool and cotton. And sorry if the camera's moving, I've got it set on the ironing board. You remember that thing, don't you? An ironing board? It's kind of an old-fashioned item there. And see that thing in my hand? It's called an iron. I-R-O-N. Iron. It's for getting wrinkles out of clothes. I'd almost forgot what that thing was. Yeah. So anyway, I pulled it out and took a couple of minutes to iron it down, but I'll show you all the ones I did. I thought they came out all really cute. Said this is for dark material. But I noticed when I printed out the pictures, they didn't seem real dark to me, and I thought, I don't know, I want them more bright and vibrant, but it seemed as I ironed it, they got darker. So here I'm waiting to try to take off the grid. It was a little difficult with fingernails to get it off, but I finally did. So I'll enjoy wearing these the rest of October. And I thought this paper was really super easy to use. I'm sure a few people have already showed how to use it, but I'm impressed. You know, and Dollar Tree has t-shirts all the time for $1. Or as everybody's telling me, they're raising their prices, so I think they should call it almost $1. I guess we'll see. Everything's going up in price. I set myself a timer so I would know when the 2 minutes were up. But look how cute that one is. I thought I'd press it just a little bit to get wrinkles out. It would be nice to have a heat press, especially if you were going to do a lot of these. This would be so handy if you had a kid's party, or you just had a little sports team, or you wanted to have a girls' night. Everybody had similar t-shirts with the same saying on, or a bachelor or bachelorette party, or you had a business. I mean, you could really save a lot of money by doing your own, because it can be a lot of money just buying a t-shirt. And then if you buy one with something on the front of it, good heavens, it's nothing to look and find that t-shirts are $25, $35. And I wear plus size, so a lot of times mine are even more. I was so surprised that this was going darker that I just kind of kept peeling the paper back to look. Isn't that cute? And you can pick up images anywhere on the internet. I did get these from Etsy. And of course I have to have a gnome one. So I do want to thank you for coming by and visiting. I hope you enjoy everybody's videos and make sure you check them out. Click that playlist and watch what everybody does. And if you like the video and you're not a member of my channel, go ahead and subscribe and hit that button. And I thank you for watching. Go out and spread some kindness today. Bye.